Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today I'm going to go into something a little bit different. If you guys saw my post a little while back on my community post on YouTube, I posted a picture of the Ridge wallet saying that I would be doing a review on it because it's a little bit different. You know, it's not car related or mechanic related or tool related or anything like that, but I thought it was a really good wallet and it was worth the mention. So they contacted me a while ago and asked me if I wanted to try it out, and I figured I'd at least try it out for a few weeks before deciding whether I wanted to do a review or not. And I tell you what, I really enjoyed it. And I figured it's good for mechanics, truck drivers, anybody that has a normal wallet that's realized that their wallet is taking over their pocket. Have you ever sat down in your vehicle and started to be very uncomfortable because your wallet's gotten so big, or realized that you started collecting so much stuff inside your wallet? It gets a little ridiculous. So a while back I had this wallet and I started to pack this thing full of stuff. I mean, this thing got fat and was very uncomfortable to drive with. I always had to pull it out of my pocket, and it didn't fit in my front pocket very well, so that was very uncomfortable as well. It just got kind of bothersome. So I switched to something like this. It was much thinner, a lot better, but then I also started trying to cram stuff in here and wearing it out, and it cracked. And good wallet, but it just got worn out, and I realized I started buying wallets every year to every 3 years or so, and even though if you're one of those people that don't spend big bucks on wallets, you tend to realize they wear out and you need to get a new one. Even though I would only spend $30 to $50 on a wallet, over the years that tends to add up pretty quickly. So after trying this out, really enjoy it. And the great thing about the Ridge wallet is it has a lifetime warranty. So that's amazing. You could use this for the rest of your life. The great thing about Ridge is they're a very well-known company, and they're going to be around. So that lifetime warranty is going to be there, where this one's going to run a lot higher than a lot of them that you're going to see on Amazon that are lookalikes and everything that aren't going to have that lifetime warranty. And the ones that do have a warranty are companies that you've never heard of before. So who knows if that lifetime warranty is actually going to be there or not. So to get started, just go ahead and open this up. You're going to get the wallet and get this little pouch. It carries extra screws and stuff, and they do include the screwdriver just in case anything ever does happen to it. You got extra screws, you can remove the money clip, and lifetime warranty. So if this ever cracks or something ever breaks or it gets worn out, the elastic straps, anything like that, it can be repaired, and it's got that lifetime warranty. So that's great. This is the carbon fiber edition. They have many different options. They have aluminum, titanium, carbon fiber, and over a dozen different color options. So that's pretty cool. Other than that, it does have RFID protection. So, you know, somebody won't be walking by you stealing the information from your credit cards and stuff like that. So that's a good thing as well. They have a couple different money clip options. You can either get this metal one or you can get an elastic strap that goes across. The elastic straps here on the three sides are very durable. I used this for a few weeks before doing this review, so I can kind of give my own personal thoughts on it. And like always, I'm going to do a very honest review. So I'm going to go over the pros and cons of everything that I can. This one does hold up to 12 cards. It has a pinch method, which I will show you here in a little bit. And like I told you, a couple different money clip styles. It's a minimalist wallet, so it holds cards, and it's literally the size of a card. I mean, that's it. You get the size of the card. It's really thin, very lightweight, very durable. So those are some really good things about it. Other than that, like I said, the elastic is replaceable, the facings are replaceable, everything's replaceable, and if it ever, you know, gets completely demolished for some reason, it's replaceable. Now, remember, these are not cheap. This is a very well-known brand. They're gonna range from $40 to just over $100, depending on the material that you get, the color options, all the options that you get with it. So just keep that in mind. But with that, I will post a little link right here and down in the description for you guys if you guys want a wallet from the Ridge for a 10% discount. It is Tony10. I'll throw it up in here somewhere. The link, and use Tony10 at checkout and you'll get 10% off. So that's a great thing. And just keep in mind, you might be paying about the same as what you would for another wallet or a little bit more, but you're going to get that lifetime warranty, so you can always replace it. This can literally be the last wallet you ever buy if you like the design. So let me first go into the cons of the wallet. First up, if you have like a key card for work, or you stay in a lot of hotels or anything like that, if you keep that key card inside the wallet here, it is not going to work because it's got that protection. It won't read through these plates, because inside of this carbon fiber plate there is actually a metal plate as well that protects the cards, and whether you get titanium or aluminum or anything like that, it's going to protect it. So if you have a key card for, let's say, work, your best bet is to just go ahead and take that key card and keep it in the money slot. That's what I do for work. I just walk up and put this up against the reader and it reads it just fine. But other than that, to insert the cards, they're super easy to insert. Really nice. The money clip actually works very well. I hardly ever carry cash on me, but when I do, it holds it very well. Just putting it right here. I mean, that thing isn't going anywhere. It's very strong. You don't have to worry about your money going anywhere. But since I don't carry cash that much, but I do travel on the road a lot and I use a company card, I do have to use a credit card and keep the receipts. Now, obviously, I won't be keeping receipts inside of this, so my best bet is to keep it in the money clip. But that's still minimalizing everything that I carried in here. I carried the most random stuff in here, anything and everything I kept in here. My medical card, which I realize I have an app on my phone that has all my medical stuff. I don't need the card on me. My concealed carry permit, I keep in my car because most jobs out there, for certain things you can't carry with you. So I just keep that in my car. So I was able to minimalize a lot of stuff in here down to 6 cards, which include my military ID, my driver's license, my company credit card, and my 3 personal cards. And that's all I need. Then I got my cash and my work key to get into work. That's it. And this works perfectly for that. Now, how this works is you have this little cutout half moon over here that you can press. And your best bet is to keep your most 2 commonly used cards on the front and on the back, so you can easily get at whichever one you want. But if you want something in the middle, the key is to pull the cards up, and then you can pinch the bottom. It's called the pinch method, and it spreads the cards so you can get whatever's in the center. Whether you have 3 cards in here or 6 cards in here, it opens it all up so you can kind of flip through them. Or like myself, I can just kind of pull through whatever I want. Now, I will go into another con. It took me some time to get used to this because I was just used to grabbing the card wherever I wanted. So when I first got this, I was like fumbling around trying to get my card out or whatever. But after a couple days of using it, it's actually super easy to get what you want and put it back in. Super easy. A lot of the other wallets out there that you'll see that are minimalist wallets will have kind of a cool design where it's either a tab or something that pulls all your cards out, or it'll be like a lever that you flip and it spreads your cards out so you can see it. Those are mechanisms that could fail, but if the Ridge came up with something, I know they'd include that lifetime warranty. So this is a really cool design, but once again, I would like to kind of see a mechanism where it pushed the cards out or whatever, but this keeps it simple and less likely to break. So I thought that was kind of a cool design, even though it could be a con for some people. Another con being that if you needed to hold on to receipts, it would have to go in the money clip. And that's really it. The only other con to it is the price point, but then again, it's not really a con if you think about that lifetime warranty where technically you would be saving some money. Pros, like I just stated, lifetime warranty. Another pro is it's a minimalist wallet, so it prevents you from carrying 5 pounds of stuff in your wallet. Keep it, it forces you to just use what you absolutely need and nothing more. Great thing is it's compact. You keep it in your front pocket. I tell you what, you don't even know it's there. You could put it in your back pocket, but that's not going to be something that you want to sit on either. But really good for mechanics or truck drivers where you're on the road for a really long time. You can still keep this in your front pocket. It's so small, it's not going to bother you or anything, like if you were trying to stick something like this in your front pocket. So other than that, it's lightweight, very durable, and the few weeks I've had it, I've loved it. I've taken it on the road with me, truck drive, cross country, everything. Really enjoyed it. Gotten used to getting my cards out. It only took a couple days, and I really enjoy it. So please let me know your guys' thoughts on the Ridge wallet and the design here. Keep in mind this is the most expensive one, the carbon fiber, but they do have other options, cheaper options and stuff like that. But other than that, go ahead and check out the description down below for the link and the Tony 10 for the 10% off if you guys are interested. Save yourself a little bit of money, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Other than that, that's all I can really think of, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a comment down below, let me know your thoughts, hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys in the next one.